Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I know all about modular, but the way the way I build this is it's a lot better for me, for my workflow. Yeah. We started this morning the stream by oh yeah, we're gonna do reference. We're gonna look up references, and we didn't do references. We ended up making sidewalks and such. Oh well, as long as it works. I'm gonna get this one and move it over here. Wait. Where do I connect this one to? Ah, this one. Good. So here we go. See, now we're able to. Oh yeah, 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 I like Flash games. Well, I used to play them. I haven't played a lot of games recently. I tried Division, but it's so tough to get back into it. So grindy. My old team isn't really playing anymore, so I think this is pretty much. Well, it's not pretty much the size of the first area, but it's starting to look like a little bit of a neighborhood here. Once we add a bunch more buildings in. I gotta take some. I gotta pick a date or something and just grind them out, right? Like a lot of them. I gotta eat my food. It's getting cold here. Is there rigging for the characters? Movement gear. Because I'm eating this wonderful food you made. Oh, yeah, 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 definitely. Well, oh, hold on. Oh, gotta get it. This is the one I was looking for. Here we go. I want to make cars. For sure. Maybe bikes, if I know how to get the character on there. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm multi-streaming. Yeah, I wanted to, I also want to make cars. For sure cars, maybe bikes too. I feel like the game also gotta have bikes. Skateboard would also be fun, but then I have to figure out how to make that, right? It's all gonna be once we figured out how to do the most of the things. This is sounding really early morning meditation. I like it. Oh no, definitely double lane traffic. At least for some streets. Otherwise, it's too long to walk on. But if the player is gonna be, it's the same. Oh wait, that's what you said. That's what Melissa said. I thought someone else said that. Well, yeah, that was exactly the food. Great food. Alrighty. Yeah, we're gonna continue on by placing light posts here. Whoop. Oh wait, this is the... I should get rid of this one. And that one. Maybe that one. And then we're gonna get this one. Move it all the way over here. We are actually gonna rotate and place and paste it onto. Oh. Here we go. Shift Z, edit mode, select only these ones, and we're gonna drag them all the way to the road. Put it back. I stream it pretty much every day, Monday through Thursday, and sometimes I pick up Fridays, but it's dependent on. Hey, that should have followed, by the way. And it's dependent on what kind of my schedule is, right? I have some other stuff I need to be doing too, but mostly I do 2 hours each day, Monday through Thursday. Sometimes I skip a day, sometimes I go on other days, sometimes I do extra, right?